Good morning, everyone. Today in our EVS, we are going to read a new chapter. This chapter is about the rooms in our house. This is your chapter number 11 on page number 46. In this chapter, we are reading about different types of rooms in a house. As you remember, in the earlier chapter, we have read about the different types of houses. The kacha house, the pakka house. Remember? But now what we are going to read is the different type of rooms in a house. Before starting up with this chapter, I would like to recall with you all that in your house, do you use a single room for all the activities? Does your mother cooks food in the same room? You take a bath in the same room? You sit and eat in the same room? And when you want to sleep, जब आप सोना चाहते हो, you sleep in the same room? Or you uses different rooms for all the different activities? Yes, we use different types of rooms for all the different activities. Right? Let us read the chapter now. In this first picture, here a girl is standing. The girl is saying something this girl is telling us. Let us read what the girl is telling us. This is my room. I keep it neat and clean. I like to spend time in my room. I use it to study, sleep, and play. What this girl is telling us is, this is my room. This is the girl's room, her room. I keep it. She is telling that I keep it neat and clean. I like to spend time in my room. You all like to keep your room neat and clean? Correct? And you also like to spend time in your room. Sometimes you like to play in your room. Sometimes you like to study in your room. Right? And the girl is saying, I use it to study, sleep, and play. Our house has many rooms. The rooms have different uses. All the different rooms have different types of uses. Because the rooms are different. They are different in one or the another way. They have their own speciality. हर रूम का अपना कुछ पर्पस होता है. क्या पर्पस होता है? Let us read it. We make our guests sit in the drawing room. When some guests come to our home, we make them sit in the drawing room. We invite them, we make them sit in the drawing room. We eat meals in the dining room. Normally what we see, we have a dining table. The dining table is always kept in the dining room, not in the bedroom. Remember? Yes. So we have different rooms for different activities. Like we have the drawing room to make our guests sit in it. And we have a dining room in which we eat the meals. You have 3 meals. Remember? The breakfast, the lunch and the dinner. So we eat the meals in the dining room. Let us come to the next page. Mummy cooks delicious food in the kitchen. Your mother, and nowadays your fathers also, sometimes your elder ones, they cook food in the kitchen. They always uses the kitchen when they have to cook the food. They don't do it in the bedroom. Your mothers cook the food in the bedroom? No. We brush our teeth, freshen up. When we want to brush our teeth, or we want to just freshen up and bathe, we go to the bathroom. For all these activities, we have a different area. That is our bathroom. Correct? We rest and sleep in the bedroom. When we are feeling sleepy, where do we go? We try to find out our bed. And where is your bed kept? Does your bed is in the dining room? Does it is in your drawing room? No, your bed is always placed in your bedroom. We store things in the storeroom. This is a special room made by our parents normally. What they do, they keep all the unwanted material, not the unwanted that they want to throw, not that unwanted, but basically that is not required on the daily basis. जो चीज़ें daily basis पे मम्मा पापा की और आपके use की नहीं होती हैं, those things we keep in the storeroom. For example, your blankets. For example, your suitcases, your bags, such extra things. Those things are kept in your storerooms. Let us come to the fact aunt. What is the aunt saying us today? Let us read it. Table manners are the manners you should follow when you are sitting at the dining table and eating your food. There are some table manners, you know. These are very important to be followed. बहुत important होती हैं ये table manners हमें follow करने के लिए. When you are sitting at the dining table and eating your food, we must follow all these table manners. Like today I am telling you 2 table manners. I would request you all to follow them. Number 1, do not speak while eating the food on the table. Do not speak while eating your food in the school. Do not speak while you are eating your food. Okay? Be quiet, finish your food and then talk to the person. Number 2, I would like to share one more table manner. Do not lean on the food. Do not bend down. Bend मत होइए अपने खाने पर. Lean नहीं होइए. Sit properly. Sit properly and then finish your food. Okay? I would request you all to follow these 2 table manners at least. Answer orally. What is garbage and where should we throw it? Do you know what is garbage? Garbage is all the unwanted material. The material that you feel is of no use. Of no use at all. These things are known as garbage. Where should we throw the garbage? The garbage should always be thrown in the dustbin. Where should we throw it? We should throw it in the dustbin. Okay, so what we have read today is, we read about the different types of rooms in a house. In a house, we have different rooms like drawing room, the dining room, the kitchen, the bathroom, bedroom and the storeroom. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day everyone.